Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a after work routine. I think I'm finally getting into one after working at this place for almost 2 months. So the video that I posted, actually it's supposed to be going up today. Hold on, okay. Today's Thursday, the 3rd. Then my first video is going to be going up on Tuesday the 8th. The first video that I filmed since Vlogmas, or that I've posted since Vlogmas. So we've taken a beat. We are back though. So the month of December, the end of December, the month of January was trash. Just no. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out because I updated you on everything that happened to us during the month of January. So, yeah. Anyways, and the end of December. So tonight we are going to be tackling all of my nightly things. I think I've finally gotten into a routine. We shall see. I've only been doing this routine for about a week, but I'm really liking it, so I wanted to share. So, we are going to be making meatloaf for dinner. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and a vegetable. I need to have one of the kids unload the dishwasher. That's part of our routine. I need to go switch over the laundry and fold that load that's in the dryer. That's also part of our routine. And I need to do something else. I can't remember what though. So I'll figure it out. But I have my little tripod behind me. I'm going to plug you guys on into it. Start cooking dinner because that's what I do as soon as I get home. It is right now 5:48. I got home at 5:30. While I was on the phone with my mom, I peeled some potatoes. And I need to get that meat in a bowl and start making the meatloaf. So let's get started. So our day starts by all of us leaving for work or school, and when the kids get home from school, my dad picks them up and gets them home to start on their homework, and Josh is usually coming home from work between 3 and 5, so he'll usually tag in and help with homework and reading time, and by 5:30 I am usually walking in the door, and then I tag in, and like they say, it takes a village. So if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Andrea. I am a full-time working mama of 3 kids. Kale is 9, Lila is 8, and Matt is 7. We are a blended family. Matt is technically my stepson, but it makes no difference to us. All 3 are my kids, regardless of labels. And as you can imagine, we are very busy, very full schedule, and I like to show you all the real life moments. We are just a typical family, just trying to get by and stay sane around here. If you like motivational content and you can relate to the real life moments or working mom life or just parenting in general, I hope you'll consider subscribing. We have a lot of fun around here and I love catching it all on film for you guys. So tonight I'm making meatloaf and mashed potatoes, and we decided on broccoli, and when I first get home I set my stuff down and then I get dinner started right away so that we can eat between 6 and 7. And while that's cooking, I'll tend to break away and tackle a few other things and just start assigning tasks to our kids to help out with.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
If you're interested in this meatloaf recipe, let me know. If you've ever seen any of my recipes, you'll know that I don't measure anything and I love experimenting with spices. And to be honest, I probably have well over 50 spice blends in my cupboard, which, by the way, I am starting a new series on my channel dealing with cleaning and battling depression and getting motivated to get things done when it's the absolute last thing that we want to do. And one of the videos that I'm going to be filming in this series is going to be reorganizing my kitchen, and one of the tasks on my list is to repurpose my Lazy Susan and hopefully move my spices to a more convenient spot. And I actually want to decant them too into a more attractive packaging, I guess you could say, and something that's going to be a little bit more uniform than having 50 different size spice containers. And I think that attributes to why my spices are all discombobulated. Anyways, so that'll be that video, and that will be coming up in the next few weeks. So stay tuned if you're interested in some serious motivational and organizational content. I'm going to be doing several different rooms in my house.
Put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned. This crazy world, I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth.
So I am a subscriber of Jordan Page, and she put it perfectly when she stated that they're raising capable children, and I adopted that mindset in my own home. I know many of us had chores while we were growing up, but in many of my mom groups, I find kids doing chores is kind of minimal, or maybe I'm just not seeing a post about it, or who knows, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of parents delegating chores to their kids, and to each their own. I'm not criticizing, but what we want to do is we want to start at what we feel is an appropriate age with tasks that they can handle, like unloading the dishwasher, for instance. So each day someone has this assigned task.
It'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not
while Kale was unloading the dishwasher and being goofy with the utensils, I went to the garage and I switched over the load from the washer and put that in the dryer, and then I went in to go fold this load.
Lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Now that the potatoes are all done cooking, I am going to get them all mashed up while the meatloaf browns up. After dinner, I'd like to say that we do the dishes every single night and we go to bed with the entire house spotless, but I would be lying. We do get the leftovers put away, but we left the dishes on this night for the morning, and at night after the kids are in bed, I will either work on editing or I'll watch a show or I'll read a book and enjoy a glass of wine, but that's about it for our night routine. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see y'all in the next video.